मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सुधीर गुप्ता है। आई एम ए चेस्ट फिजिशियन एट कैलाश हॉस्पिटल, नोएडा। Primarily, people start smoking out of curiosity. There are three major factors, and the most important are social factors. Like if we go to village side or in certain communities where grandparents, parents, and everybody is smoking, so the children start smoking in very early age. It may be as early as 8 to 10 years of age. And second is the easy availability of cigarettes and BDs nearby schools. The children will just come out of school, go to some particular shop and buy a loose cigarette, and they start smoking just to impress their peers and their girlfriends. Smoking, there is no safe limit. Every drop of poison is a poison, so every cigarette is a cigarette. There is no safe limit. Yeah, it's easy to give up if one wants to give up. If somebody just doesn't want to give up, just says, okay sir, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it today. So that's not goes on like that. But if somebody wants to give up, it's very easy. Most important thing is one needs to have a firm commitment that I want to give up smoking. If I want to give up smoking means it's absolutely no. That doesn't mean that I will smoke it tomorrow, I will try it, then at a particular date on which I will quit. It's not like that. Yeah, we have medical solutions to give up smoking, and they are the nicotine replacement therapies. In those persons who are habitual and who are addicted to smoke, addicted to nicotine, definitely we give nicotine replacement therapy so that they don't have craving for this thing. But at the same time, these things work only when a person has a strong willpower and really wants to quit. Natural solution is that to indulge in exercise, which increases normal body endorphin levels, and they have nicotine-like effect. They make a person feel better, and the most important thing is social support and family support. It's a responsibility of elders in communities to see that they don't smoke in front of their children, because most common cause of smoking is that children, they see that their parents are smoking or somebody elder in the family is smoking. If nobody is scolding them, why shouldn't I? And the second is that in case of peer pressure, to impress the friends and so many other things, so they should not succumb to all these pressures. That's the most important thing. These things should not be available nearby schools and other things.